Okay, so we are estimating using compatible numbers, and we said when we estimated, we got around 40. Okay, so now let's try our estimate. Okay, so I'm going to put a 4. Okay, so let's go ahead and try. What is 32 times 4? Well, we have to find out. I have to go over here on the side and multiply. 32 times 4.
128.
How do you guys know?
Because last time we were doing the multiplications.
Oh, okay. So let's go ahead and try. So 4 times 2 is 8. And 3 times 4 is 12. So let's go ahead and try that. So we know that 32 can't go into 1. It can't go into 12. And it can possibly go into this number. So let's go ahead and try it. Would this number work, or what do you see wrong with this number? I have 125 minus 128.
We're gonna have to regroup.
But is this possible?
No.
No, I'll end up with a negative number because 128 is a bigger number than 125. So I know for this reason, this one will not work. I'm going to check it off. Not working. Okay. Let's adjust. Okay, we need to adjust. And it says try 3. So let's go ahead and try 3. Let's see if it'll let me do it right here. 32 times 3. Can somebody help me out with this one?
96.
Why? Can you walk us through it?
2 times 3 equals 6.
Good.
And 3 times 3 equals 9.
Okay. So let's go ahead and try that. Since this one was too large, let's try the 96. Okay? Well, 96 is smaller. Look at that. It's smaller than 125. So let's go ahead and try it. So 5 take away 6. What do I do?
You're going to have to equal. Yeah, because it's 2. The 5 is 2. It's bigger than the 5.
Correct. So I need to go over to my neighbor. So my 2 is going to become a
1.
And my 5 is going to become a
15.
15. So now let's do 15 take away 6.
Is 9.
9. Okay. And now I have 1 take away 9.
You have to regroup?
Yeah, again, right? 9 is too big. So let's go ahead and borrow. So my 1 becomes a 0. And my 1 here becomes what number?
11.
11. Now let's try this. 11 minus 9. That's possible. 2. Okay. So that's possible. I have 29. But, okay, let's see. It says 29 is less than, so we can continue dividing. Do you see that?
Yes.
So, oops, I forgot to put my 3 up here. I'm sorry, guys. No one warned me. So let's continue dividing. I'm going to transfer this information over here so I can use these boxes, okay? But this is still the same problem. So let me transfer this information here. You guys can do that in your book also. And we had 9, 6, 2, 9. Okay. And my next step was to bring down the 2. So let's bring down the 2. Okay. So now what's my new number?
292.
Yeah, 292. So now I have to see how many times can 32 go into 292, and we might have to play with numbers again. Since this was times 4 and it was about 128, let's try times 8. Let's see if that works. 32 times 8. Let's just try and see what number we get. It might not be this number, and we might have to still play with numbers. So what is 8 times 2 is? 8 times 2, let's try again.
16.
16. 3 times 8?
5. 24.
Let's try it, okay? 3 times 8.
24.
3 times 8, okay. Oh, hold on. Plus one more?
25.
25. Something's going on with my mouse. Okay, so 256, that could work, but I still think we can get closer. What do you guys think? Can we get closer to 292?
Yes.
Let's try it. Let's add one more.
Yes.
Okay, let's do 32 times 9. I'm going to do this one right here. Let's see if... Oh, yes, my mouse works better here. Oops, 32. Let me erase this number. Okay.
That's so cute.
What's cute? My eraser? 32 times 9. Let's see. What is 2 times 9?
18.
18. And 3 times 9?
28.
Well, 3 times 9 is not 28. It's 3 times 9.
27.
27 plus one more makes it 28.
28.
Hey, look, that got us a lot closer than this number. This number would have been close, but I think we got pretty close. I think if we add one more, we might pass it. So let's go ahead and try 288. Let's subtract. Go ahead and subtract. Do you guys want to try it together?
Yes.
Okay. 2 minus 8. Can we do that?
No.
No.
The 2 too small.
The 2 is too small, so what do I have to do?
You need to
Borrow. So my 9 is going to turn into an 8. And my 2 turns into a...
2 turns to 12.
Good. So let's go ahead and see. 12 minus 8 is?
4. 4.
4. So I get 39 remainder.
4.
4. Do you guys see how we got that?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.